today we are going to make some lip gloss. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Shazzy Rosada, aka Shy Glizzy, back with another video. As y'all can see, your girl done switched up her hair a little bit. This is actually the same wig that I was wearing you know, in my previous videos, but I bleached the end. But I don't really like how it kind of dried out my ends, so probably won't be wearing this wig for long. I'm gonna just make it work till I get me some energy to make my new wig. As you can see, your girl finally got her nails done. Boom, baby. So as you can already tell from the title, today we are making lip gloss. So it's a DIY type of video. Don't mind the background. I'm watching Grey's Anatomy. If you watch my TKB Trading unboxing video, you know that I did say I ordered me some lip gloss tubes from AliExpress, so they did take a while to get here. They come in packs of 5. I only have 4 in here right now because I already took one out. I ordered 100, so I have a lot more in my room. But I just want to go ahead and try this out tonight. I have the kids asleep right now, so I'm about to go ahead and try this out. I did go ahead and put my logo on one of them so you can see it. I do believe these tubes are 8 milliliters. It holds 8 milliliters of lip gloss. I got my towel laid down so I don't make a huge mess. So let's go ahead and get started. Y'all want to know where I did just realize that I didn't buy any mixing bowls. So I'm just gonna go grab a bowl from the kitchen and we're gonna use that. So we have a bowl. This is like a glass bowl, so I think this will be a good bowl to use. I got my spatulas, what I'm gonna be mixing it with. I've seen a lot of people use a spoon, but I'm just gonna use these spatulas. If it doesn't work out with the spatulas, then I'll grab a spoon from the kitchen also. There was a lot of other products that I could have used, but I didn't order them because I felt like, why spend extra money for stuff you don't necessarily need? I did order some glitter from Amazon, and I will put the link in the description if anybody is interested in purchasing this glitter. I still haven't opened it. I've been got this in the mail, but I just never opened it because I was gonna save it to, you know, add into some of these lip glosses. So, you know, it's actually not like all messy like I thought it would be. So you get all these colors, and it was very affordable. I can't remember exactly how much I paid for it, but like I said, I'll put the link in the description if you're interested in purchasing some. It's supposed to be like cosmetic glitter. You can put it in, you can use it as eyeshadow, put it in lip gloss, stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I'm just gonna take a few out for right now and put them to the side. I don't know which colors I'm gonna use yet, but we'll figure it out as we go. Alright, so I have pretty much everything I need right here set up. I decided I'm just gonna make one lip gloss right now. I'm gonna be using this mica powder from TKB Trading. It's called Soft Pink. I have the Versagel in here. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of the Oil Fusion. I just added a little bit in there. I was gonna just use the dropper, but I don't feel like doing all that. And now I'm gonna add my mica powder. This is how much comes in it. 6 grams. I'm gonna go ahead and pour that in there. I don't think I'm gonna add glitter to this one, so I'll probably end up adding to this video like tomorrow or something, or making a separate video and make some more colors. So this is how it looks right now. It's like a cute strawberry type color, starburst type color, not strawberry. And I said strawberry because I was looking at this, and this is strawberry flavoring oil. It smells so good. I'm gonna add a few drops in there. And this is just so the lip gloss will smell and taste good if you were to get it in your mouth. Don't act like y'all ain't never ate no lip gloss before. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to put it into my tube. You're gonna need to cut the pipette so you can attach it to the syringe. So you're gonna cut it right here. And then you're gonna put it on the syringe and put some tape around it. And this is just so that you can tube your lip gloss a bit better. Tape it real good. And put another piece on there just to be secure. And that's just so you can get into the lip gloss a little bit better, the lip gloss tube. I'm gonna go ahead and take the top off. And then this is like the little stopper to keep the lip gloss from leaking. When I put all of the lip gloss in here, I'm just gonna go like that and fill it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate. So this is the messy part. I probably should have got a bigger spatula, but honestly, this is a little bit better. It keeps it from getting all over the syringe like I've seen in some videos. Actually, no, I don't think it's better. Oh, this is aggravating. So I didn't get all the lip gloss in the tube because it's getting on my nerves, but I got some of it in there, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how to tube it. Ooh, it's actually kind of hard to push. So I'm gonna put like the little blocker in there. And there you have my hand all sticky, y'all. I should have wore gloves, but this was the finished product. So now I'm gonna go wipe this off my lips, and then I'm gonna test it out and see how it looks when you wear it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take some pictures with this lip gloss on with the flash so that y'all could see the actual color. But I like it, and it feels real smooth. It doesn't really feel sticky. I really think it was fine with one coat, but I'm one of those girls that like wet dripping type lips, so you know I gotta put like 10 coats of lip gloss on. I may end up adding some coconut oil to it just to kind of, you know, moisturize your lips and whatnot. So far I do like it, but I can't really say, you know, if it lasts long, if it gets sticky or what, because I just put it on. Good. I like it. I'm just gonna go take some pictures with the flash on so that y'all can see the true color. That's pretty much how you make your own lip gloss. I'm definitely gonna be doing a whole lot more videos. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. This is my first time doing a DIY video. I really appreciate you watching the video and supporting me and checking out my content. So go ahead and give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
Mm-hmm.